What's up YouTube? It is OSnaps99 here. Danscomp unboxing, just a little one. I ordered a seat and I think bar ends. So let's hop into this. Hold on, let me put the camera down. Wish I had like one of those cameras that I get like a tripod for it and shit. I'm gonna try to get one of those next, hopefully. I don't spend my money on bike parts. Right now, I have a seat post coming in from eBay, Shot Conspiracy, and yeah, brown paper, my shadow seat. That's gonna look nice on my bike. The bar ends fit, the plugs. Stickers right here with a little catalog. Order total was $32 solid. So yeah, thanks for watching. Comment, rate, subscribe. Peace.